Are you tired of manually sorting through your expenses every single month? What if you could automate everything and let your budget organize itself? In today's video, we are going to show you how to create automated rules to categorize expenses in Monarch so you can save time, stay organized, and get a crystal clear view of where your money is actually going. Whether you're tracking subscriptions, groceries, or business expenses, these automation rules will help you eliminate repetitive work and make your financial life a whole lot easier. And before we dive in, if you want to try Monarch Financial for yourself, make sure to check out our affiliate link in the video description to get started. So, let's begin. Monarch Financial is a modern personal finance and budgeting platform designed to help you track your spending, manage your investments, and build better financial habits all in one place. Normally, budgeting apps require you to manually assign categories to transactions like groceries, rent, or entertainment, which is time consuming. And honestly, it's easy to forget. Now, with Monarch, you can create automated rules that do this for you instantly. Now, before we get started, you want to make sure that to use our affiliate link in the video description because it helps support our channel at no extra cost to you. Creating an account here in Monarch is easy. Provide your email address, and to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up using your Apple and with your Google account. Now, if you want to simplify your budgeting and automate your finances, you can try Monarch Financial with a free trial to unlock its powerful tools and features. Before you get started, make sure to check the box that allows them to send you email reminders. This way, you'll be notified before the trial ends so you won't miss it. Once you're ready and have decided to continue, you'll be taken to the checkout page. Just provide all the details, complete their process, and that's it. Congratulations! You'll then be redirected to the main homepage of Monarch Financial where we can start taking full control of our finances. Now, there are plenty of ways for you to create automated rules to categorize expenses in Monarch. Number one option is if you hover on the left side panel of your dashboard, go to the Transactions tab. This is where all your spending activity is listed, like groceries, subscriptions, bills, and more. Now scroll through your transactions and find the one that you want to automatically categorize. For example, we are choosing Netflix. Okay, so we're gonna click on it and options will appear, allowing you to change its category. By default, it's set to entertainment, but you can switch it to any category you prefer. For this example, I am selecting paycheck, and once you've done that, a notification will appear at the bottom right corner where you can easily create a rule. I want you to click on it because here is where the magic happens. You can create automated rules to organize your expenses without lifting a finger. Now, you can set rules based on things like the merchant name. For example, Netflix, if you want to add another one, for example, we can add, let's say Walmart, you can do it so. And then you can add a transaction amount. For example, let's say 69. And you can also add the categories if you want and the accounts. Okay? Now, basically, the left side is your if conditions and the right side is what happens when those conditions are met. So once the conditions are triggered, Monarch will automatically apply the action you set, like assigning a category or updating a transaction. And after that, click the save button. And just like that, your finances start organizing themselves. Okay, so that's one way. Another option that you can do is I want you to hover on the top right corner where you can see the gear icon. Click on it and scroll down until you find the rules. Now, you would notice here we can create a new rule allowing us to rename, recategorize, split transactions, and more by not affecting the first rules that we have applied to that specific transactions. Basically, this rule is the general or the default rule that will be applied to any of your changes. If you want to create a new rule, you can simply click this. And remember earlier, you can set the original statement, merchant name, amount, categories, and set all of these. Once the conditions are met, these will be applied. Because if you do, you would see that the previous changes will not be applied on that transaction earlier that we have created. Okay? Now, that's two ways for you to and start categorizing expenses in Monarch. Now, if you go back again to the transactions tab, let's say we are going to automate specific rules to this airline ticket. Okay, so I'm gonna, instead of travel, let's say I am going to change it to auto payment. Okay, again, remember there is a small notification at the bottom right corner, but this time I am not going to create a rule. I'm just making it sure that all expenses related to airline ticket will be categorized as travel, and I'm going to dismiss another rule for that. Remember to create rules for your recurring expenses like subscription bills so you can automate the most common transactions right away. You want to make sure to use clear and specific keywords to improve accuracy, and don't forget to review your rules from time to time to keep everything organized. Because from now on, Monarch will automatically categorize similar transactions for you, saving you time and effort. Now, if you're interested, you can also check out our beginner's walkthrough on how to use Monarch Financial here in our channel. But that's it for today's video on how to create automated rules to categorize expenses in Monarch Financial. Monarch is a powerful and user-friendly financial tool, especially when it comes to automating expense categorization. The ability to create custom rules saves time, reduces manual work, and helps you stay consistent with your budgeting. Now, if you are serious about managing your finances more efficiently, Monarch is definitely worth trying, especially with the automation features we have covered today. Remember, do not forget to check out our affiliate link in the description to get started. And if you have any suggestions or questions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, if you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.